J.R. Lambright here with a little help for local small businesses. Evaluating a company or brand for the first time can seem overwhelming, but a SWOT analysis helps organize your thinking and is a tried and true first step in a strategic audience growth process. SWOT can be used to evaluate an entire organization or zoom in on a specific aspect like a product line, social media presence, or employee base. The SWOT grid organizes a company's aspects into 4 categories: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors, while opportunities and threats are external. When conducting a SWOT analysis, ask yourself these key questions. Strengths: what unique products, services, expertise, or branding does the company offer? What are its competitive advantages or things it does best? Weaknesses: what is the company missing in terms of expertise, products, or operations? Are there any reputational, financial, or branding issues? What could be improved? Opportunities: are there emerging markets, strategic partnerships, or new technologies the company can leverage? Have competitors left openings in the market? Threats: who are the new or existing competitors? Do they have better products, pricing, or marketing? Have consumer preferences shifted in a way that threatens the company? By sketching out the SWOT grid and filling in the blanks, you can start to objectively assess the company and identify ways to turn weaknesses into strengths and threats into opportunities. The key is to be thorough yet concise in your SWOT analysis, focusing on the most impactful internal and external factors. With practice, this tool can provide a foundation for developing effective business strategies. I look forward to any questions you have.